Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Vanilla Card account. Keep watching the video till the end, without skipping, in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into the Vanilla Card, go to your web browser and click it open. In the search box, type in www.myvanillacard.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website. In order to log in, you'll see a box at the left-hand side. Go and enter your username in the first text field. You'll see now, move on to the password block and type in your password. If you want to show your password, and quickly double-check your password, then click on Show Sign-in Info link. In case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Account Setup and register yourself to a new one. After you're done entering all the credentials correct, click on the Sign In button, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into Vanilla Card account. That is all for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.